Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2022 Toyota Tacoma base. Coming in this nice black color, and this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do got that tow hitch, we got a V6 engine as well, 4x4. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle as well, which is pretty nice. Mud flaps on the rear, and moving to the front, we got mud flaps on the front. And looking at the front here, we do have that nice Toyota Tacoma grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior, you got floor mats, cup holders, and as well as you can lift up the seats for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You have your lights, traction all on your left-hand side with cloth interior and your floor mats. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 70,841 kilometers. We do have a vinyl wrap steering wheel. You got your toggle for your screen, pages, all that jazz, collision, lane keep, phone, mode, voice, volume, all that jazz. And on here you can go for your odometer, trip A and B, and you can have a little blank screen there, and your odometer again. But for here we have our information, settings, any messages will be stored here, your car info, and all that fun stuff. Here we have our gear select, parking brake, cup holders, little storage, more cup holders ahead, more storage. Nice center console here with USBs down there. You have your power, heated door mirrors, heated front seats, got a little outlet here, 12 volt, 4-wheel drive, dual climate up front, hazards, storage below, your infotainment system. On your homepage you do have what station you're currently on, what phone's connected, your fuel economy, all that jazz. Here's what your menu is. You have your audio, phone, apps, projection, info, setups. For your apps, you'll have any apps you have downloaded will show up right here, which is pretty nice. Here's your audio with your AM, FM, all that use, and you do get Bluetooth. You also get navigation, not installed currently, track, phone, and all your apps right there again, tune, scroll, and all the usuals. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7860, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.